Okay, so this is a predictive video for this hurricane season and for the area of South Florida. That will be the areas from Palm Beach County down. So we're talking about Palm Beach, we're talking about Broward, we're talking about Dade, we're talking about Monroe counties. We're asking the universe, my spirit guides, to connect with the energy around if there will be any hurricanes that will impact these areas for this hurricane season, and if we could get some clarity around that. Hurricanes that will impact South Florida, the counties that I mentioned, Palm Beach, Broward, Dade, Monroe counties. Any insight, spirit, around the hurricanes that will or will not? How many? Numbers, if we can receive that. If there's going to be multiple or just one or zero for these specific areas. Okay, we've mentioned 4 areas. Okay, we have Palm Beach, both east and west side. We have Broward, east and west side, so that would be going over to the counties. I don't know the name of if the counties change over there on the west coast of Florida, Naples, so forgive me, Tampa, that area. We're talking about the area from Palm Beach down, both sides, Gulf side and Atlantic side. How many, Spirit, will we have any, or how many, if we have any, hurricanes that will impact the east or west coast of Florida, from the Palm Beach County line down and up and including Monroe County, which is down in the Keys. Clarity, clarity, clarity. Okay, so it looks like we're waiting. Oh gosh. Tower. So the answer is yes. Yes, we will have impacts to within the southern part of South Florida in hurricane season 2022 for some areas from Palm Beach County, east or west coast. So can we have any clarity on categories or strength or information? If we receive any category information, we'll accept that information for position 3, position 6, position 3, position 5, position 6, and also position 1. So if we have any cards, numbers that come out 1, 2, 3, or above that are consistent in position 1, position 3, position 5, position 6, we will take those as messages from Spirit around the strength of the storm. Clarity, 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 clarity. I will be doing tarot connecting for other regions, including Texas, Louisiana, Pensacola. Energy, please. Oh, 4. A blank. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. Those 2 connect. So, category between a category 2 to 4. We have the impact showing up for South Florida this year, category 2 or 4. We will have at least one impact of a category 2 through 4. So it could be a category 2, 3, or 4, affecting Broward, from Palm Beach Broward, Dade, and Monroe counties on the east or west coast. That is as far as we're going to go with this particular energy. Right now we will update again later. I'll do this reading forecast again in this exact same format and see if we receive consistent information again. Certainly focusing in on position 1, position 3, position 5, and position 6. But right now, yes, we'll receive at least one category 1 through 4 hurricane, category 2 through 4 hurricane for our season 2022 in South Florida. Okay, that's it.